broskies, welcome back to another video. We're gonna get right into it. We got the front end painted. I already started masking the other half of the car so we can get it painted. So it's gonna be sick, all one color. You can tell right away. Look at the front end, look at the back. Nice. All right, we got the car masked off, all taped up, ready to go. Just gotta clean it up, and then we can start mixing our paint. Oh, I still gotta cover the front end, but I'm gonna use a bag. It's a lot easier to cover it. All right, guys, so I just finished spraying the car. This thing came out sick, nice and wet. 3 layers of clear. I'm gonna let it sit for a couple hours. I'm gonna go tow a car real quick, and then when we come back, we'll take off the tape, we'll take off the bag, and then we'll throw it outside and see how she looks. But this thing looks sick. All right, broskies, so I'm gonna get the kit painted. I got the skirts, front bumper, and the rear bumper. Mixing my paint. Don't remember, I think I made a video a while back, but I'm using Sherwin-Williams white base coat. And basically, I did 5. So this is a 1-to-1 ratio. You use 1-to-1. This is the table. I went 5. I went up to here with paint, and then I went up to the 5 with reducer, and that's basically it. All right, broskies, I just finished spraying the parts, body kit. Mira nomás. This front bumper was the worst. Side skirts are pretty sick. Rear bumper, sick. All the parts came out pretty good. I threw 3 layers of clear. Nice and wet. All right, broskies, I'm gonna wait a couple hours. You don't know. Look at all the paint on my face. I'm gonna wait a couple hours, and then I'll try to put the body kit on and then take the car to Anthony. All right, broskies, while we wait, I took off the headlight lids, and I think I'm gonna sand them down and try to see if we can restore them, make them look a little better. All right, here's a walk around of the car, freshly painted. Check out the D-Max tail lights. Car came out pretty clean. Damn. I even restored the headlight lids for my boy. It's the little things that matter, you know. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. Rear bumper is on, side skirts are on, except for the front bumper. We're not gonna put it on because we're still gonna tow it, but the car came out fresh. Damn. All right, boys, the 240 coupe is with daddy now.
Thank you, papi.
She looks good with the body kit on.
Coming soon.
Damn. Hey broski, so yesterday we delivered Anthony's 240 coupe. We did not bring my 240 truck because yesterday I ended up getting more parts for the car. I got a wideband, I got gauges, and I got a new shifter, and I still need to find a pedal. So if anybody has a S13 clutch pedal, let me know. But yeah, the car's gonna stay for a couple more days at Anthony's house, and then we'll pick it up. I just did my gym morning routine. I'm gonna start doing morning now because I used to go at night, and sometimes I would get home late. Like yesterday I got home like at 11, 12, and I was like really tired. So I'm gonna start doing morning routine now and see how it goes. Today was the first day and I'm feeling pretty good. In the meantime, we're gonna start working on my 370Z. We have a drift event on next Sunday, next week. Today's Saturday, so it's gonna be for the mega meet. So SoCal Z is gonna throw it and Hot Pit. So it's gonna be pretty sick. It's gonna be at Airwindale Speedway. So if you want to catch a ride along, I think they're gonna be charging, but it's still gonna be sick. If you guys want to get a ride along, let me know. I'll be there.